I'm back at Wallcraft. I'm just looking for a new car since I had this car. I wonder if they have new car. What's this? What's this? Oh my god. Wait, let me check my list. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Let's check. The next one, a new car fix over. Well, at least I found a new car. Look at this beauty. Oh, let me see. For sale. 1190. Okay. Just need to get my coins, sir. So it needs gold. It needs only silver coins since it's a car from the old days. So I gave him it, and now I own it. Oh yeah, I could just do these. So sorry about you. I guess I had to give you to my neighbor. Or I could give it for sale. Yes. Yeah, I'm very excited. Oh yeah, I'm having fun. What's this? Ooh. I guess that's okay. Okay. I'm having so much fun having fun. Oh wait, there's something here. Oh, it's hard to do it. Oh, I can't wait to bring it back home. I guess. So I just kind of fixed up this. I kind of fixed it so it looks good enough like this. And yeah, I could do a tutorial for you guys. And this is how I look like. What do you think my new car looks like? Should I keep it or not keep it? Cause this car is pretty cool, but it has a bed and everything, you know. You could just chill here with your friends. Could press buttons as if it's like a video game in there. So yeah, it's kind of cool, you know. You could do a bunch of stuff, whatever. You could just play with things like this. And also I added a chest here. What do you think, guys? And also I made a time machine, which I don't know what to do if that happens. Well, I kind of did my best. Well, yeah, I think it's looking good. I will show you how to do the one without the lid. So, I will show you. All we need is this, and also this. No, this and this and this. And we need to get a block of quartz, and I think we need to get here we need to get this, and for glass you need this, and we just need wool. We need black wool. Black wool. There you go. There's the black wool. So first off, you want to start this. Yeah, and then you want to have the stone slab and do this. One, that's two, and then you want to do another one. And so it will look like this. But then you want to do that. And you want to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this. And then we do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. A block here. And then 1, 2, 3. Wait. There you go. And then in this part, you want to just cover it up like with this. So you could stand on it. So you have this platform and you want to use the red sandstone on both of these sides. And what you want to do is put like this in each side, and in the front you want to just do that, and then you want to do this. You don't need to put another one, a quartz here, or because that will look like there are two fronts. So this is your front, right? And you want to do this, and then this. After that, you want to put a quartz stair here. You want to put the quartz stair here. Let me just fly there, and then you want to put another one in here too. No, wait. Let me just fly. Okay, there. You want to put that there. So right here. Wait, that's actually wrong. So you want to do that. Wait, no, you want to do this. And there. And you want to add some decorations. This is where you put the chest. And yeah. So you could take all of these out. Oh wait, you still need the black wool. And take all of these out, because you don't need them anymore. And what you need is a door. Oh, actually, we don't need a door. We need buttons. Here, you need buttons. And you want to get the ladder. Oh yeah, we need the door. And also the chest. Chest is here. There you go. Oh, we need sign. Sign. Here's the sign. And we need a frame. Let me just put the, oh wait, no. Wait. Where did I go? There it is. There. After you put this wool, you wanna go back and put this back there. And in wool, you will see a bunch of, in here you will see wool. The one you want to get is white, orange, and red. And you want to do this next. So you do this. Wait. We'll put sign here. So it's WW00. Here's the L0B. Yeah. And you could do any name you want to put here, and then here, here, here. I gotta do
What's
this.
the color of this, Michaela?
Gray. And then you could do this, this, and this. And you want to put the chest here. Oops.
This is gray.
Oh,
That is violet.
here. Oh wait, this is wrong. Let me put this sign here. I saw that you got the new CD before you go.
I'm gonna watch it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna watch tomorrow cause you can't watch it right now cause mommy's not here.
Yeah.
And we have no time in
What are you
here.
eating, Michaela?
Yeah. And my mom put food. So, and then you need to put red in here. And then you're done, but you're not, oh wait, actually you're not done. So, after that, you want to put door here. You want to do this. So it's like a closet. And what you need to do is take all of these out and, wait, not the button, because you haven't put in the button yet. Okay, if you want to, you could add some buttons to this, so you could, it's like a video game, and you want to add them to the wheels too. If you want to, you could do any different colors, but make sure it looks good. You could do the windows, rainbow. I will show you the color that you could do. Wait, I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. You could do these colors, cause these colors you could use it. You only had to use I think 2 colors. Only use 2 colors. Like you want to do this, and then it will look cool. But I'm just using a regular one, so so it looks like a old car. And if you do this boring old car, you could do any color, like this is blue and this is red, or this is orange, or this is yellow, whatever color. But make sure this bottom part is always gray, cause that's where the attachment goes, so it looks like a real car. And these cars, these are kind of like trucks wherever they are. These are like trucks. Oh, one last thing I need to put. I need the quartz slab. And we're going to put this here. So we have like a seat. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. There, now you're done with your thing. If you want me to do this one, then I might show you it. Wait, let me just zoom out. Okay, there. Yeah, if you think this one or this one is better, well, this one is for the summer, this one is not for the rain. You could type in taxi if you want to. Let me do that. That's actually a good idea. It's right here. So you want to type in taxi. It's a taxi. Oh no. I just put that. Wait, let me wait, let me just do this. Cancel. Toyota. Taxi. It's a taxi. It's a taxi driver. And this is just a normal person. This is for the summer. This is for the winter. So, maybe I'll do a tutorial on this one. Yeah, I'll make a tutorial on this one, so you could do this one and also the other one. So you could do it with your friends, but right now I'm doing it single player. You could show your friends, they could have fun. I could do any types of cars, I guess, or I could do any houses like this house. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe and hit that notification button to not miss a video. And yeah.